would say fair mention.
Got the front wheels off. I had to, we had an issue. I broke like 3 sockets trying to get these front ones off, but I torched them and then got a real socket to pull it off, 1/2-inch drive. So those are off. I'll have to replace 3 of them. Got some new side markers for it. Wheels off, pulling the front inner fenders because we got new ones of those. Got the headlights cleaned up, the front end cleaned up a little bit. It's got a coolant leak, so we're gonna find out where that thing's leaking. That's why we're cleaning it all up and get that thing fixed too. So all easy stuff, just be patient and yeah, you'll get it. All right, we're soaking it for now. We kind of scrubbed it, we'll scrub some more. All up underneath the undercarriage there. If oil scares you or oil leaks or coolant leaks or a mess, this is definitely not the platform for you. You are not a BMW person, because this is just everyone. And the reason is so many people buy these cars don't know even how to change the skid stains in their underwear. So they just neglect the shit out of them, and then you get them and it's a project car, and all this was just easy preventable maintenance. Got the corner of the bumper reattached. He's putting in the little wheel arch back part there. ECU's installed. We didn't film that. It's pretty straightforward. I'm gonna put these 15mm spacers on here that I got for my 3 Series. Got stuff kind of cleaned up. New side markers in. The aluminum part of the inner bumper and have the grills ordered, and we'll get the bumper on here shortly. So the car is pulling a few codes still. I think they're misfire codes. We'll address that later. Right now we're going to try to put it all back together because we don't need it apart to figure that stuff out. All right, guys, gals, I wanted to finish this video and I can't remember exactly where I left off. We got the ECU back in, wheels and tires on. I put 15mm spacers on it, all new lug nuts. The car drives like a dream, and then all the Christmas tree lights come on, like the check engine lights, seatbelt, whatever, and then the car dies, and then the car won't start for a certain amount of time. That led me to, I think I know what the problem is now. That's gonna be in a different video. In this video, because I'm keeping this car, all the sensors I'm buying, which these are dirt cheap. It was $103 for all the sensors. The coolant level, the sensor right down there, which I think is the cold side out of the radiator, and then the overall gauge temperature sensor, which is under the manifold, which a lot of people, it's unplugged, you can see, take the manifold apart, the fuel rail and everything. I just took all the cowl off and all that stuff, and then you can literally get your hand back here and it's literally right here. You can feel it in about 2 seconds. Couple torques there, take this off, and then what I got was, I watched another video where a guy had all these attachments, a ratchet and this and a swivel this. I'm gonna get it off with a straight up 22mm open-end wrench that I bought at Harbor Freight. I bought the kit for like 25 bucks. Anyways, I'm gonna do that because you cannot go wrong if you're gonna keep these cars for a long period of time to replace sensors on them, right? It's an insurance policy. Anyways, there's enough videos on these E46s for the coolant. So I didn't film any of that because there's so many. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap this job up. Probably test drive the car, but I'm pretty sure I know what the issue is, why it's doing what it's doing. And I want to be able to title that one right. So I'm going to close this video out as something like, hey, some idiot working on another freaking BMW or something. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you're enjoying the videos. I haven't really posted a lot. I have a lot going on right now. Look at that, dude. I got the Cummins on 22s. Got the 3 Series twin turbo, just looks good. And then I got the freaking pride and joy of the fleet, the Honda Roddy. Enzo Ferrari designed the motor. Anyways, I'm getting off on a tangent. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you feel like it. Share, that would be great. And remember, I'm doing this all for you, all for us. I don't get paid to do this. I pay for all this stuff myself. So hopefully it helped you. See ya.